are seeing the opportunity from NTTData. They are hiring for software application development engineer, SDE, simple. And yeah, this let's have a look on the responsibilities while you are joining into it. Develop applications that effectively accomplish the clients and objectives and user needs. Design and writers code for the application and maintain application database. You need to be maintained with every database which you are building your application, and analyzes and edit the estimation software existing software application to improve and optimize the function. Like if you are in a team, that you need to improve your application which they are working on it. And yeah, you need to analyze the which mistakes or which errors, which debugs they are facing. That much of capability you need to be, and you need to fix the problems which the team is uh, facing, and remodel and adopt the application as needed. And this opportunity is for freshers, so don't miss this chance. And identify the specific clients need a preference and related to the application while you are applying, while you are making your application, that you need to take some guidance from the client which how they needs the web application or something application which you are making. So you need to be in contact with them every time. So install applications and act as a technical advisor. You need to be like a lead. You need to lead the team as well, and need to advise the technical, need to give the technical advice too. And communication with the relevant international technical stakeholders, and obtain the information on projects limitations, performances, and requirements and interfaces. As well, consults with the client in the design phases to determine the client needs. Let's have an eligibility criteria to here. Session understanding of computer science with specified knowledge of computer programming, application design, and user forced futures. So they didn't mention any degree like we need only computer science, we need only information technology, we need only AI students, only DS and nothing. But you need to be understand the computer science, and you need to have some computer programming languages which you need to be available to do a code, and application design, as well as user forced features, and good team player with maintain the integrity of the team. You need to be good team player, like adapting the environment and being like a normal person with without any attitude, something like attention, excellent attention to the detail capability, ability to understand and analyze the complex systems, and extend the proficiency in writing software using Java programming language and a standard object library. And you need to be known as Java, Python, Perl, anything all over that. You must know one programming language, and you must be as a quick learner. If they need a Java programmer in their team, but they will teach you that how the Java will run, how the process will be. So you need to be a quick learner, and seasoned knowledge of system development process, as well as seasoned proficiency with agile development such as scrums. As I always tell you guys in every video, that everyone is asking SDLC, software development life cycle, which is called as agile also. So don't miss. If you need any course for agile, for sure I will provide you. Just comment it down. Session knowledge of software integrity development of environment, and session knowledge is various programming languages such as but not limited to Java, Perl, Python, C++, anything you need to be known one perfect programming language. And demonstrated analyst organizational and management skills using relevant informations and all. So academic bachelor degrees are relevant in computer science or software. Bachelor degrees, as before they told, any engineering course is not a mention. So don't miss this opportunity. And yeah, here the main requirement, experience, season a software application of software development and relevant work experience, means you need to build any projects that are in your specific time, and season experience with programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Perl, anything, and season experience with the Linux and or Unix Windows operating systems such as, and season experience with working in SQL, as well as project management and experience in agile environment. So don't miss. This is an hybrid working, means you can work at any place in Hyderabad. No need to visit every day to the office. You can visit when they need it. That's it. Let's jump into an application process. The top of the application, top of the page. and after entering this page you will see four main sites which main parts, four steps to submit your application. One is my information, my experience, and voluntary discussion, disclosures, reviews. Let's go with it. Here they are asking that upload your resume or LinkedIn to apply automatically, but don't give there. Just write your computer country and manually do manually country, your name, your name, family name. Family name is not mandatory because many people don't have that. And address line, city, postal code, email address, device type, mobile, and yeah, India means +91, and give your mobile number here, and I confirm and next. After tapping on the first application, that you it will takes you to the second one, my experience. Just add your experience here and add your education which is recent. No need to add before that 12th or 10th anything in here. And yeah, give your skills which you know, like Python, like Python, C++, Java, वगैरह, like which you know, parallel anything. Mention here which they needed, and must mention Agile also in it. With if you knows or not knows, that's in secondary, but mention it. And yeah, languages which you known to speak, like English, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, वगैरह, Kannada, like it. And yeah, upload your resume here, and as well as upload your portfolio here. That I am saying you that everywhere that portfolio is mandatory, the for a software developer, that they need to mention here, so don't miss. If you need to prepare a portfolio or help to make a portfolio, just comment it down and I will get back to you how to make, or I will make for you. After completing your second one, that need to be acceptable. This voluntary disclosures are only relevant for South Africa and USA applicants, but so we are not applicant for that. Next, and just review your application fully, and any mistakes just edit everything and submit your application here. Here you almost done. That you need to just applicable that your password and create your account here, then it will be completed. So don't miss this opportunity. So don't miss this opportunity. That very good opportunity from the NTT data. So don't miss. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.